all. I extend my warm and hearty welcome to the biggest science quiz competition of Northeast, the sci-connect 2018, being organized by Vigyan Prasar. As we all know that, we all have gathered here in Agartala for sci-connect 2018 Level 3, the final regional level quiz competition. I'm Yasmeen Hussain. Today I have the pleasure to host this program and to be your anchor cum quiz master. Today we are honored to have with us Shri Sachin Narwadia, scientist from Vigyan Prasar, coordinator of sci-connect quiz competition. I welcome him to the sci-connect 2018 final. sci-connect is a program specially designed for the students of Northeast regions and initiated by Vigyan Prasar in collaboration with all Northeastern State Councils of Science and Technology and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Assam. The speciality of this quiz show is that it is based on the content of films produced by Vigyan Prasar and syllabus of class 8th and 9th. This program has 3 levels. Level 1 is a district level competition. In this level, all registered schools of Northeastern regions were given 33 science films produced by Vigyan Prasar for the screening at schools. After screening of films, an objective type written examination was conducted jointly with State Councils of Science and Technology, situated at different state capital of Northeastern states and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Assam. From the students who participated in the written examination, first 30 students were selected for Level 2 quiz competition cum hands-on science workshop. Out of 30 students, first 15 students faced the Level 2 quiz competition and all 30 students participated in the 3 days hands-on science workshop organized by Vigyan Prasar. The first winning team of Level 2 from all 8 Northeastern states were recommended for the regional level final quiz competition. Well, we all have assembled here today in Agartala for the Level 3 final. 5 teams from state of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur are here with us today after qualifying from the 2 pre-finals. So let's have introduction of the teams. Team Arunachal Pradesh, please introduce yourselves.
I am Ludam Yudik and I am representing Team Arunachal Pradesh.
I am Agnik Mandal. I am representing Team Arunachal Pradesh.
My name is Yatunike and I am representing Team Arunachal Pradesh.
Thank you, Team Arunachal Pradesh. Now, Team Assam, please introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Sharupa Das. I am representing Team Assam.
I am Pragjotish Lahan and I am representing Team Assam.
I am Manoj Dahal and I am representing Team Assam.
Thank you, Team Assam. Now, Team Tripura, please introduce yourself.
I am Deeptanu Shaha and I am representing Team Tripura.
I am Pratik Chandranath. I am representing Team Tripura.
I am Shomik Shaha and I am representing Team Tripura.
Thank you, Team Tripura, for introduction. Team Mizoram, please introduce yourself.
My name is Simon Ramsiama and I am representing Mizoram.
My name is Niyati Basel and I am representing Mizoram.
My name is Ankita Barua and I am representing Mizoram.
Thank you, Team Mizoram. Team Manipur, please introduce yourself.
I'm Tushpa and I am representing Manipur.
I am Lentobil Astram and I am representing Team Manipur.
I am Rosmi Thanauzam and I am representing Manipur.
Thank you, teams, for the introduction. All the best to all the teams. Now let's start the sci-connect 2018 final. Now let's start with round 1. The terms and conditions are: each team will get 2 questions with multiple choices. If unanswered, question will not pass on to the next team. Each question will have 10 points. Answer time will be given only 10 seconds. And the first question goes to Team Arunachal Pradesh. Team Arunachal Pradesh, how are you feeling today?
Energetic.
That's great to hear from you, Team Arunachal Pradesh. All the best, Team Arunachal Pradesh. Your first question is appearing on the screen. Out of options coming on screen, salt water freezes at which temperature as compared to fresh water? And your options are A, lower, B, higher, C. Same, D. None.
A. Lower.
That's the right answer. You get 10 points for this right answer. Congratulations. Now the next question goes to Team Assam. Team Assam, how are you feeling?
Good.
Great to hear that. Good luck to you. Let's move on to your question, which is appearing on the screen. Through a telescope, Mercury planet looks like what? And your options are A. Half moon, B. Full moon, C. Just a bend line, D. None.
Half moon.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, Team Assam, for the right answer. Team Tripura, are you excited?
Yeah.
That's great to hear from you, Team Tripura. All the best to you, and your question is appearing on the screen. Why honey flows slowly as compared to water? Because viscosity of honey is, and your options are A. Lower, B. Higher, C. Medium, D. 0.
B. Higher.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, Team Tripura, for the right answer. Now let's move on to Team Mizoram. Team Mizoram, are you nervous?
No, ma'am.
That's good to hear from you. All the best to you, and your question appearing on the screen. In human eyes, image of object will form on which part? A. Pupil, B. Iris, C. Retina, D. Lens.
C. Retina.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, Team Mizoram, for the right answer. And last but not the least, Team Manipur, how are you feeling?
The question is very interesting.
Okay, the questions are very interesting. That's very good to hear from you. All the best to you, Team Manipur. And your question is appearing on the screen. Which is the most malleable metal among the following metals? And your options are A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Gold, D. Silver.
B. Iron.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. And the right answer is C. Gold. Now, the next question goes to Team Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, your question is, how many number of chromosomes are there in horse? And the options are A. 36, B. 63, C. 23, D. 46.
A. 36.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is B. 63. Team Arunachal Pradesh, don't get disheartened. You can still score. Now, the next question goes to Team Assam. Team Assam, here's your question. Fax word in short form of which full word? And your options are A. Facing, B. Facsimile, C. Fairing, D. Fronting.
B. Facsimile.
That's the right answer. Team Assam, congratulations for the right answer. Team Tripura, the next question appearing on the screen, do you think you will be able to answer?
Let's see, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. And the question is, what is the color of central part of human eye retina? And the options are A. Red, B. Green, C. Yellow, D. Blue.
A. Red.
I'm sorry, Team Tripura, that was the wrong answer. Right answer is C. Yellow. Don't get disheartened, Team Tripura. There are many more rounds yet to come and you can score more marks. Now we'll move on to Team Mizoram. Are you ready, Team Mizoram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the question is, what is the status of bromine at room temperature? And your options are A. Solid, B. Semi-solid, C. Liquid, D. Colloid.
C. Liquid.
That's the right answer, Team Mizoram. Congratulations for the right answer. Now let's move to Team Manipur. Are you ready, Team Manipur, for the next question?
Yes.
And the question is, which one of the following can also be used in filtering of circuits? And your options are A. resistors, B. capacitors, C. diodes, D. connectors.
D. Connectors.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. Right answer is B. capacitors. Let's have a quick look at the scoreboard. Team Arunachal Pradesh is on 10 points. Team Assam is on 20 points. Team Tripura is on 10 points. Team Mizoram is on 20. Team Manipur has not yet opened their account. Team Manipur, please buck up. Let's move on to round 2. Terms and conditions are, it's a one-word answer type. Each team will get one question with 10 points to each question. The question will be one-word answer type. If unanswered, question will pass on to next team only, carrying 5 bonus points. For pass on team, time will be given only 10 seconds. Answer time is 20 seconds for first team. So let's start with Arunachal Pradesh. Are you ready, Team Arunachal Pradesh, to face the second round?
Yes.
The question for Arunachal Pradesh appearing on the screen. Which is the unit of inheritance in living organisms?
Genes.
That's the right answer. Arunachal Pradesh, congratulations for the right answer. Let's move on to the next team, Assam. And the question is, what is the term used if two figures are of the same shape and size?
Congruent.
That's the right answer, Team Assam. Congratulations for the right answer. Let's move on to Team Tripura. Are you ready, Team Tripura?
Yes.
And your question is, International Year of the Periodic Table of Chemical Elements will be celebrated for which year by UNESCO?
(2019).
That's the right answer, Team Tripura. Congratulations for the right answer. Now next, we'll move on to Team Mizoram. Are you ready, Team Mizoram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the question is, which enzyme present in saliva?
Lipase.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. And the question passes on to Team Manipur. Time up. I'm sorry, none of the teams were able to answer the question. And the right answer is amylase. Now the next question goes to Team Manipur. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, the question is, the animals which can live on ground and in water both are termed as what?
Amphibians.
That's the right answer, Team Manipur. Congratulations for the right answer. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Team Arunachal Pradesh is on 20. Team Assam is on 30. Team Tripura is on 20. Team Mizoram is on 20. And Team Manipur is on 10. Let's move on to the special round, which is audio-visual round based on clipping of science monitor. Terms and conditions are, There will be one video clip showcased to team. After the clip, one question will appear on screen related to the content of the video. The question needs to be answered in 30 seconds. Right answer will give you 10 points. If unanswered, the question will pass on to the next team only. And if given right answer, 5 bonus points to pass on team. Now, the first question goes to Team Arunachal Pradesh. Are you ready, Team Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes.
And your video is?
Fish is a vital source of food in most parts of the world, and India is one of them, given its long coastline and extensive river systems. But the storage and transportation of fish is an expensive process, as it is a perishable product. In the recent years, there has been a growing trend to use the chemical compound formaldehyde to extend the shelf life of fish during transportation. Formaldehyde can have negative health effects such as asthma, heart problems, and muscle weakness in people who consume fish which have been stored in it. It is identified as a potential carcinogen by International Agency for Research on Cancer. It's for this reason that the Kerala government, along with other states, have been cracking down on this harmful technique. However, what makes the task of detecting formaldehyde adulterated fish difficult is the fact that this chemical compound also occurs naturally in varying levels in fish as well as foods like mushrooms.
And now your question is appearing on the screen. What are the health problems which can occur due to formaldehyde?
Asthma, muscle weakness and cancer.
The right answer is asthma, heart problems and muscle weakness. Team Arunachal Pradesh, you have given the right answer. You get 10 points for this right answer. Congratulations, Team Arunachal Pradesh. Let's move on to the next team. Are you ready, Team Assam, for the next question?
Yes.
And your video is?
Our universe is vast, which is continuously expanding to form thousands of galaxies, planets, and stars. The astronomers and space scientists seek to explore the infinite possibility of space with the help of different types of telescopes and satellites. A radio telescope is one such technology that gives a better view of planets, comets, solar winds, clouds of gas and dust, rotating stars, and hidden galaxies. These heavenly bodies emit radio waves, which is the energy radiated by the object in the form of waves. Scientists study the radio waves originating from the sources to know their composition and motion of the space objects. Radio telescopes have an advantage as they can penetrate through sunlight, clouds, cosmic dust, and clusters to reveal obscured areas of space. Now, a team of scientists and researchers from different countries have come together to build Square Kilometre Array or SK8 telescope.
Team Assam, you have seen the video. Now, the question appearing on the screen. Where the radio waves can penetrate?
Sunlight, clouds, cosmic dust, and clusters.
That's the right answer, Team Assam. Congratulations for the right answer. Now we'll move on to Team Tripura. Your video will be playing on the screen.
Human immunodeficiency virus is the virus that can lead to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS if not treated. Unlike some other viruses, the human body can't get rid of HIV completely, even with treatment. So once you get HIV, you have it for life. HIV attacks the body's immune system, the system which fights off infections. Untreated, HIV affects immune system, making the person more likely to get other infections or infection-related diseases. These opportunistic infections take advantage of a very weak immune system and signal that the person has AIDS, the last stage of HIV infection. Currently, no effective cure exists, but with proper medical care, HIV can be controlled. The medicine used to treat HIV are called antiretroviral therapy or ART. If taken every day, this medicine can dramatically prolong the lives of the people affected with HIV.
Now you have seen, as the video it's on AIDS. Let's move on to the question. Team Tripura, your question is appearing on the screen. Which therapy is used against AIDS?
Antiretroviral therapy.
That's the right answer, Team Tripura. Congratulations for the right answer. Now let's move on to Team Mizoram. Are you ready, Team Mizoram, for your video clipping?
Yes, ma'am.
Your video will be playing on the screen.
The majestic tiger, one of the most ferocious predator found in nearly all of Asia's vast tropical and temperate forests, is struggling for his existence. According to World Wildlife Fund or WWF, there are only 3,900 wild tigers left in the world, out of which 2,226 big cats are found in India, living in their natural habitat. On 29 July every year, International Tiger Day is observed worldwide to raise awareness on tiger populations throughout the world, as well as to address the challenges and success tiger conservationists face to protect the endangered species. The World Wildlife Fund or WWF has launched a program called TX2, which is a species conservation goal set by the government of 13 tiger-populated countries to double the number of wild tigers by 2022.
As you have seen the video of tigers, and Team Mizoram, your question is appearing on the screen now. How many tigers are in India out of world's population?
$2,226.
That's the right answer, Team Mizoram. Congratulations for the right answer. Now let's move on to Team Manipur. Team Manipur, are you ready for your visual round?
Yes.
Your video will be playing on the screen.
All natural or artificial processes that take place in this world are more or less based on some type of chemical or physical reaction. Some may take a long time, while others take only a few seconds. But if something went wrong during this ultra-short process, then the entire reaction may be terminated or may even generate adverse results. Sometimes, the time taken by several reactions is shorter than few hundredth part of a second and is very difficult to monitor, even with a laser camera. However, extremely tiny light pulses are used to study electron movement in atoms, molecules, and transparent solids, but it is difficult to get insights about the complex molecular systems. For providing effective solution to understand insight of difficult molecule reactions, physicists from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay have developed a novel technique.
Now you have seen the video and your question is appearing on the screen for Team Manipur. What is used to study electron movement?
ultrasonic process.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. And the question passes on to the next team, Arunachal Pradesh.
Light pulses.
Right answer is extremely tiny pulses, but your answer was very near to the correct answer, so we are giving you 5 bonus points for this right answer. Congratulations. Now let's have a quick look at the scoreboard. Team Arunachal Pradesh is on 35, Team Assam is on 40, Team Tripura is on 30, Team Mizoram is on 30 and Team Manipur is on 10. Now let's move on to the round 3, which is a buzzer round which has negative marking. Questions with 10 points will appear on screen. The question will be one word answer type. After appearance of question, buzzer need to be pressed immediately if you know the answer. Opportunity for answering will be given to the team who responds first. Wrong answer will deduct 2 marks from the total score. Right answer will be given 10 points. If unanswered, question will pass on to the next team only, carrying 5 bonus points. No deduction of marks in case of pass on. The first question is appearing on the screen. Teams, be ready with the buzzers. What is the name of the branch of science which deals with the study of cells? Team Tripura.
Cytology.
That's the right answer. Team Tripura, congratulations for the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The second question is appearing on the screen. What is the value of each angle of an equilateral triangle? Team Mizoram has pressed the buzzer.
60 degree.
That's the right answer, Team Mizoram. Congratulations for the right answer. Now let's move on to the next question. All teams be ready with the buzzers. Which term is used for the generation of electricity by rotating coiled wires within a magnetic field? Team Arunachal Pradesh has pressed the buzzer.
Alternate electricity.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. The question passes on to the next team, Assam.
Magnetic electricity.
That's the wrong answer, I'm sorry. The right answer is magnetic induction. Now we'll move on to the next question. Teams, please be sure that you press the buzzer only after I finish the question. And the next question is, give the name to description of the reciprocal of the wavelength of the wave. Team Tripura had pressed the buzzer.
Frequency.
I'm sorry, it's a wrong answer. The question passes on to the next team, Mizoram.
Time.
I'm sorry, even it's a wrong answer. The right answer is wave number. Now let's move on to the next question. Teams, are you all ready with the buzzers? The question is, who is considered as Missile Man in India? Team Assam had pressed the buzzer.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
That's the right answer. Team Assam, congratulations for the right answer. Let's have a quick look at the scoreboard. Team Arunachal Pradesh is on 33 points. Team Assam is on 50. Team Tripura is on 38. Team Mizoram is on 40. And Team Manipur is still on 10. Now let's move on to the round 4, which is a photo identification round. The terms and conditions of this round are: each team will get one question as a picture which will be shown on the screen. If identified without any clue, then 10 points will be awarded. 2 points for each clue will be deducted for next 4 clues. If unanswered, question will not pass on to the next team. Total time to answer is 1 minute 30 seconds. Team Arunachal Pradesh, are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Here we go with your first question. Identify which species is this?
Squid.
Wrong answer. And your first clue is: biologists are especially interested in them because of their regenerative ability.
Hydra.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, Team Arunachal Pradesh. You score 8 points as you have used only one clue. Now we'll move on to the next question to Team Assam. Are you ready, Team Assam?
Yes.
Your photo in question is appearing on the screen. Identify this animal.
Pangolin.
That's the right answer. Team Assam, congratulations for the right answer without using a single clue. Now let's move on to the next team. Team Tripura, are you ready for the photo identification question? Yes. Here is the photo in question appearing on the screen. Identify this animal.
Rat.
I'm sorry, wrong answer. I'll give you the first clue. They are venomous, nocturnal, burrowing, insectivorous mammals belonging to the family Solenodontidae.
Mongoose.
I'm sorry, that's a wrong answer. Second clue is they give birth in a nesting burrow to 1 or 2 young.
Mole.
Even that's the wrong answer. The third clue is they make their homes in bushy areas in forests. Time up. The right answer is Solenodon. Now we'll move on to the next team. Team Mizoram, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the picture in the question is appearing on the screen. Identify this animal.
Beaver.
That's the right answer, Team Mizoram. Congratulations for the right answer. Now let's move on to Team Manipur. Are you ready, Team Manipur?
Yes, miss.
Now the picture in the question is appearing on the screen. Identify this deer.
Himalayan musk deer.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, Team Manipur, for the right answer. Now let's have a quick look at the scoreboard. Team Arunachal Pradesh is on 41. Team Assam is leading with 60. Team Tripura is on 38. Team Mizoram is on 50. and Team Manipur is on 20. Now let's move on to the last and final round of this quiz competition, which is a rapid fire round. The terms and conditions are: each team will be asked continuous questions for 1.5 minutes or maximum 8 questions. Answer should be given in true or false. Each question will carry 5 points. The representative from team will only answer. Now Team Arunachal, please introduce your representative.
Myself, Agnik Mandal, will represent Team Arunachal.
All the best, Team Arunachal. Here are your questions. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial.
True.
Right answer. Lines which are parallel to a given line are parallel to each other.
True.
Right answer. The sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 160 degrees.
False.
Right answer. Physics studies the origin, propagation and properties of sound.
True.
Right answer. The concept of gravity comes into play in use of ball pens.
False.
Wrong answer. The lens used in a camera works on the principle of thermodynamics.
True.
Wrong answer. Fumaric acid is sweet in taste.
False.
Right answer. Galileo discovered the Saturn rings with the telescope.
True.
Right answer. Well played, Team Arunachal. You have answered 6 questions and you scored 30 points. Congratulations, Team Arunachal Pradesh. Let's move on to the next team, Assam. May I know your representative, please?
I am Pragjyotish Lahan and I will represent Team Assam.
All the best, Team Assam. And your questions are: the horizontal line is called the y-axis and the vertical line is called the x-axis.
False.
Right answer. The coordinate axes divide the plane into 4 parts called quadrants.
True.
Right answer. X is equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis and y is equal to 0 in the equation of the x-axis.
True.
Right answer. Venkatraman was a globally renowned space scientist.
True.
Right answer. Ironing works by having a heated metal base, the sole plate.
True.
Right answer. The Doppler effect is a change in the pitch of a sound when the source of the sound is moving relative to the listener.
True.
Right answer. Saturn is the second largest planet and the 6th to orbit the Sun.
True.
Right answer. Solar flares and solar winds originate within the Sun's atmosphere but differ greatly from one another.
True.
Right answer. Well done, Assam. You have answered all the 8 questions correctly, so you will be getting 40 points. Congratulations, Team Assam. Now we'll move on to Team Tripura. Are you ready, Tripura? May we know your representative, please?
I am Shomik Shaha and I am representing Team Tripura.
All the best, Team Tripura. And your questions appearing on the screen. If 2 lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are not equal.
False.
Right answer. An event for an experiment is the collection of some outcomes of the experiment.
True.
Right answer. India International Science Festival is being organized by Ministry of Science and Technology.
True.
Right answer. Sir M.V. was a recipient of the Indian Republic's highest honor, the Bharat Ratna.
True.
Right answer. Baking soda is pure sodium hydrocarbon.
True.
Wrong answer. Caffeine in coffee, tea, cola and cocoa is considered as natural toxic chemicals.
True.
Right answer. Microbes and enzymes enable the creation of foods such as cheese, yogurt and bread.
True.
Right answer. The anti-cancer drug Taxol is another example of a biological derived medicine.
True.
Right answer. Well done, Team Tripura. You have given 7 right answers, so you score 35 points for this round. Congratulations, Team Tripura. Now we'll move on to Team Mizoram. Are you ready, Team Mizoram? Can we have your representative, please?
I am Niyati Basel and I will represent Team Mizoram.
All the best, Team Mizoram. And your questions are appearing on the screen. A linear equation in 2 variables has very limited solutions.
False.
Right answer. The probability of an event lies between 0 and 1.
False.
Wrong answer. Homi Jahangir Bhabha played an important role in the quantum theory.
False.
Wrong answer. Love, jealousy, envy, infatuation and infidelity all share a basis in chemistry.
True.
Right answer. Para-aminobenzoic acid absorbs UVB.
True.
Right answer. Baking soda and baking powder are leavening agents.
True.
Right answer. The surface of the sun contains large magnetic loops called prominences.
True.
Right answer. The chemical name of the quartz is silicon dioxide.
True.
Right answer. Well played, Team Mizoram. You have given 6 right answers for which you will be getting 30 points. Congratulations, Team Mizoram. Now we'll move on to Team Manipur. Team Manipur, are you ready?
Yes.
May we have your representative, please?
I am Lentobi Lystrom and I am going to represent Team Manipur.
All the best, Team Manipur. Your questions are appearing on the screen. The graph of every linear equation in 2 variables is a straight line.
True.
Right answer. Facts or figures collected with a definite purpose are called errors.
True.
Wrong answer. The mode is the most frequently occurring observation.
True.
Right answer. Potassium sulfate, commercially known as MOP, morat of potash.
True.
Wrong answer. Chandrasekhara Venkataraman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his pioneering work on scattering of light.
False.
Wrong answer. Amino acid sulfoxides form sulfonic acids as you slice into an onion.
True.
Right answer. UVB coming from the sun is involved in tanning and burning of skin.
True.
Right answer. Skin has a natural sun protection factor.
True.
Right answer. Well played, Team Manipur. You have given 5 right answers for which you will be getting 25 points for this round. Congratulations, Team Manipur. With this, we have come to the conclusion of Level 3 Final sci-connect 2018 quiz competition. As all rounds are over now, I invite Mr. Sachin Narwadia, Scientist and Coordinator sci-connect, to announce the score.
Thank you, Ms. Yasmin. All the teams were very good. It is very encouraging to see the enthusiasm of students towards sci-connect 2018. By the end of first round, which was multiple choice question round, Team Assam and Team Mizoram had scored 20 points, while Team Arunachal Pradesh and Team Tripura got 10 points, whereas Team Manipur could not open their account. After round 2, which was one word answer type round, Team Assam got 10 points for correct answer and took overall score to 30 points. Team Arunachal Pradesh and Team Tripura got 10 points for correct answer, taking their score to 20 points. Team Mizoram did not score any points and their score remained unchanged, while Team Manipur got 10 points and opened their account. In final, a special round was introduced, which was the audiovisual round based on the news clippings of Science Monitor, weekly science news program produced by Vigyan Prasar. Team Arunachal Pradesh did very well by getting 10 points for correct answer and 5 bonus points for pass on question in the audiovisual round, taking their overall score to 35 points. While Team Assam also gave correct answer and maintained their lead over others, taking their score to 40 points. Team Tripura and Team Mizoram also gave correct answers, taking their overall score to 30 points each, whereas Team Manipur could not improve their score. After round 3, which was buzzer round, Team Arunachal lost 2 points for wrong answer, thus their score was at 33 points. Team Assam got 10 points for correct answer, taking their overall score to 50 points. Team Tripura was fastest to press the buzzer twice, gave one correct answer, gave one wrong answer, taking their score to 38 points. Team Mizoram also was quick in pressing the buzzer and got 10 additional points, taking their score to 40 points. Team Manipur could not improve their score. After round 4, Team Arunachal scored 8 points, whereas Team Assam once again gave correct answer, taking their overall score to 60 points. Team Tripura could not improve their score. Team Mizoram also improved their score and team was at 50 points. Team Manipur improved their score by 10 points only and taken their score to 20 points. Round 5 was very competitive. Team Assam gave all correct answers once again and got 40 points, taking their overall score to 100 points. In sci-connect 2018, this was the highest score as no team had got 100 points so far. Team Mizoram gave 6 correct answers, taking their overall score to 80 points. Team Tripura gave 7 correct answers, taking their overall score to 73 points. Team Arunachal were not far behind by giving 6 correct answers and they took their overall score to 71 points. Team Manipur with 5 correct answers got 25 points, taking their overall score to 45 points. The final score for all the teams stand at Team Arunachal 71 points, Team Assam 100 points, Team Tripura 73 points, Team Mizoram 80 points and Team Manipur 45 points. Team Assam were very sharp and quick in answering their questions and like true champions gave all correct answers. They were ahead of other teams in all rounds. Team Tripura, Team Arunachal Pradesh and Team Mizoram gave good fight but could not move ahead of Team Assam. My heartiest congratulations to all the teams. Team Assam won the sci-connect 2018 quiz competition as first winner. Team Mizoram stood at second position. Team Tripura stood at third position. Thank you, Ms. Yasmin. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sachin sir, for announcing the scores of all the teams. So I congratulate teams Assam at first position, Team Mizoram at second position and Team Tripura at third position. Winners of the final with flying colours. Teams Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur too have played well. I offer my best wishes to all the participants. With this, the sci-connect 2018 final is completed.
Last year we started this program of sci-connect. Basic objective of this program was to inculcate scientific temperament among the children of Northeast, and we want to nurture them because this is the remotest area and the people or children who are living here gets a less opportunity to showcase their talent. So basic objective was to give a material, resource material, so that they can use and they can come up with an innovative idea. So regarding keeping in this mind, we started a program in sci-connect. There were 3 components on this. First, we want to give a resource material to each participated school, and second, we want to nurture them by giving a hands-on training, and third was to showcase their talent through quiz. So these are the objective of this program. or last year there was around 6,000 students participated in this program, and this year in 2018 around 9,000 students participated. So in this way this program was very successful, and we are getting a regular feedback from teachers, students and officials from state councils.
We have had a great journey winning the trophy, and we have worked very hard for achieving this. We have studied day and night our whole course books of class 8 and 9th. We have watched the various films produced by Vigyan Prasar, and also our state coordinators and escort teachers helped us achieve this. So we are very happy.
मैं गांव के जब निकल के आया, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं मैंने ये जगह तक आके पहुंचूंगी, और मैंने जब माँ बाप बाबा माँ कहा मैं ट्रॉफी से जीत गई, उन लोग मुझे शाबाश दी, और मैं जब स्कूल में जाऊंगी तब उन लोगों को मैं साइंस के बारे में शेयर करूंगी, और मेरे साइंस के बारे में बहुत इंटरेस्ट हो गई.
Coming to sci-connect final and becoming third in the final, it was really a great experience for me. This was a journey from the first level to the third level, a very hard-working journey. We have done really hard work.
Our experience coming to sci-connect 2018 was very good. We learned a lot of things based on science, like we learned how to apply science in our lifestyles, and we worked really hard to get this position, and a part of it was due to luck, and we feel good about this.
sci-connect has been 2-3 months of real hard work and stressing and sleepless nights, because we pulled all-nighters so that we could do something for our state, because we are representing our state Mizoram, because we got through the second level. So we got the chance to represent our state Mizoram, and then like in the pre-finals also we did pretty good. In the second part of the pre-finals we got first, and then now finally, although we couldn't get first, I'm still satisfied with what I got, where the second position, and then I'm really happy, and I hope I made my state, my school, my parents and my family happy.
Team Assam has prepared a lot for this purpose, for this competition. They worked hard, and all the films they were provided earlier, it was observed quite well by them, and really their hard work brings success for them, and sci-connect is a way to enter into a vast world of knowledge for students, and it is a good exposure for students also.